Alright, hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partners Cash and Millzone, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, we are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money, alright? So if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy and sell, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these Forex markets live, then stick around because that's exactly what we're gonna do. All right, I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope everything is good with you guys. I hope you all can see my chart. Also guys, choppy markets, all right? So don't be risking more than 1% on any trade. We are not financial advisors. Any trades you take upon yourself. All right, so we are an hour earlier today, so I'm guessing we're gonna have some people probably most likely join in later. I hope you guys can hear me loud and clear. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Millzone, if you're on the call, brother, could you just cross-check, or anyone of you guys, if you could just make sure YouTube is up and running today, I'd really appreciate that. Okay, that's gold. Bloody hell. I had that on nasty, but this is still an impulse, so I'm still gonna mark it out for you guys. All right, that's the impulse that that's the sell that I was looking at on nasty. We do have jobless claims. That's gonna be out in the next 12 minutes. All right, so be mindful. If you're getting in on this, then make sure to realize your profits as well, okay? Just got that dip on euro. Awesome. I was gonna chart EU for you, but then I was like, it's okay. 3 charts are good enough. Okay, so that's the sell coming in on nasty only and impulses of right now. Let's have gold shots right there. That could be a stop loss. Of course, if we want to go bullish. Whitey, all good. Thank you so much, Clive. Appreciate that. Let's have a new alert there on Goldie. Maybe something like that on the Dow. Alright, let me just mark up. Okay, that's a supply. The sells will be below this region in case we want to come into them, okay? Let's see if we have some. Yes, we do. Perfect. Okay, so we're all marked up. Let's see what they sort of want to do. Good morning, Millzone. What's up, my man? Guys, listen, do us a favor, okay? Click on the YouTube link. Mute me on YouTube, and but let the video keep running on the side, okay? It just helps us with the algo, okay? So if you guys could please do that, we'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, gold. Attempting again. 3.5 minutes to news, okay, you guys? Let's see. I'm probably gonna set a little bit of an order over here. I wouldn't recommend you guys to do that, but I know a lot of you are successfully trading the impulses with me right now. Shout out to you guys on the one-on-one mentorship program. But I'm gonna be setting one maybe round about this region, okay? Just give me a quick second. Let me get that done. DXY is flying. Look at that. Look at the goddamn DXY. Where is the move on Goldie? Okay, my order is set and good to go on gold. Let's see if we want to get the move. Let's see if I get triggered in on anything. I'm gonna get rid of Nasty. Alright, I don't think we have too many people trading Nasty cashes in here right now either, so it's all good. Let's get gold over here. Alright, let's have the Dow and let's do Nasty as a separate shot. Okay, I don't want to do 3 because it's too much clutter. Okay, so that's gold. And that's the dirty, alright? I know we have quite a few gold diggers on here. This one's for you guys. I like gold as well. I like gold right now. Gold's looking good to me. This looks good as well, you guys. Looks good. Let's take a look at the EMAs. We have about 7 minutes for news. Okay. Is anyone in any sort of trades right now, you guys? Anyone in any trades at all? No. Okay. Just a feeler on Goldie. Me too. I'm in on a feeler for gold, and I'm gonna have my stop loss all the way at our supply. Is anyone trading Nasdaq right now? Anyone trading that? It's just it seems like the move before news really even kicked in, so I don't want to get in on that. I like both of these though. Let's try to break that supply and let's try to push, man. If we've got the volume and the momentum with news, we can do that. Let's make this a quick session, you guys, okay? Let's get our pips. Let's get out of the markets. Quick, last 5-minute candle, you guys, before news. Alright, am I worrying that I may get triggered before news? Yes, a little bit, alright? But I'm fast enough and I am able to manage my positions in case that happens, okay? Arrow 20 pips, congrats, man, good stuff. What do you catch 20 on? Okay, rejection. What are you guys going to be trading? Y'all going to be trading gold, or are y'all going to be doing the indices for news in the next 4 minutes? What are you guys going to be trading? Guys, I'm just gonna lower my gold stop a little bit, okay? So I was in at around here. I'm just gonna lower it because I don't feel too comfortable getting triggered. Like I don't want to get triggered just a second before news and then it reverses back on me, okay? So I'm just gonna lower it by a bit. Give me a quick second. Okay, I'm ready. Alright, so my feeler is giving me about 10 pips right now. Alright, so that's $10 on my feeler. 7-8 pips on my feeler. Round about there. Okay. Let's see if we have the momentum to break the low, okay? Because if we don't, boom, they're gonna just push right back up. Three minutes to go. I'm gonna go for crude oil. I used to really like trading oil. Maybe I can shout it up for you guys. We used to do it a little earlier, but we didn't have too many people trading oil, which is why I stopped. But if we have enough people that want oil, 100%, I'll do it for you guys. Alright, and welcome to anyone that's new on here. I know that we have new people coming on every single day because of the bot and because of our new server. So if it's your first time here, sit back, relax, just try and see what it is that we do. We scout these markets on the 5-minute time frame. We trade the indices and some commodities. We also do some FX pairs. So if that interests you, then watch, and I'll answer the questions that you have in case you'll have any to get started. Okay, well, let's just get done with news. We do have news coming out in the next about minute and 40 seconds, so let's see. Am I right in thinking we're feeling bearish on gold? I certainly am, buddy. I'm certainly feeling bearish on gold. But again, based off of price action, we should be bearish, but you'll know the kind of volume that news can bring in, right? So it could go boop and then even push down, or of course if we break a supply, then we're just gonna get like a pretty erratic move. Yes, it will go to zero. What do you mean by that, Kurt? Okay, news in the next 30 seconds. You guys, please be careful. Don't go too crazy. Don't be over leveraging your accounts. I hope, good thing we're not trading nasty. I hope you guys are using the right money management. Please do not over leverage your account, because this thing can completely go against you. Okay, so my position on Goldie is right there. Okay, just letting you guys know, right by that brick. I know the DXY is soaring. That's exactly what I'm looking for, right? So this is news in the next 4 seconds, you guys. Let's have a good one. Okay, flash to the downside. Most likely gonna push up there. Let's watch, you guys. Be careful, okay? Be careful. I'm watching this really closely because I am triggered in. It's not the biggest of my positions, but I'm watching it really closely. Okay, I'm gonna quickly set a hard stop loss on this one. I don't want to be caught in this crap. Give me a second. Alright, my stop loss is in, you guys. I have a stop for about this area. And let's see. Alright, let's see what happens. I'm either gonna get stopped out or I'm gonna make some money right now. But roundabout break even right now, well, in and out of profit. Let's take a look at the DXY. Boom, still flying. Delayed reaction on gold. Alright, nasty. Bearish and then bullish. Come on, push down. Alright, any of you trading the dirty? Your moves. There you go, and I am running on gold, 4,800. 6 grand on gold, you guys. I'm gonna say it because you guys want to hear it. Who is catching this with me? 7,000. 8 grand on gold. Beautiful move, JJ. We said it was gonna sell, buddy, and it's freaking selling. It's in front of you. I just pulled out 6,900 on gold, you guys. Boom. Did anyone catch that with me? That was a dub. That was a dub. That was a freaking dub. There you go, JJ. W's. I love seeing those W's in the chat. This is what we do here at Forex Trading, you guys. One candle, conviction, trade the impulse right with the right risk management, and you're done for the day. Literally, we hit TP, and I guarantee you we're gonna hit more. Okay, so I'll tell you how much I caught on this position. All right, cool. So I closed it at like 70 something, but I got 59.40, which is 20 pips. 20 pips. I'm very, very happy with the 20 pip move. Congrats to everyone that caught it, okay? But this is starting to push high as well. Look at that, man. Boom! I could have held this and I would have been up by 10 grand right now. Cut. Lesson. All right, literally, I legit could have held this. I would have been up by 10 grand, and I would have closed this trade a really happy man. But is that something that I'm willing to do? Am I gonna respect the strategy and stick with my 10 pip rule, 20 pip rule, whatever it is, the risk management? Am I gonna stick with that, or am I gonna be greedy in these markets? Because trust me, there's an extremely thin line between gambling these markets and smartly trading these markets. All right, and we're the army of millionaires. All we do is we smartly trade these markets. I fucking love it, you guys. Intense, intense. Beautiful. Look at Goldie still freaking dropping to the downside. Lovely, man. Lovely. Watch my chart, bro. If you could, 1800 on my chart, buddy. If you could mark that up. Look at that move! Is anyone still holding gold? Anyone still holding gold? Please tell me someone is still holding gold. Running big, zero, congratulations. Hey, listen, a Corolla is also really good, okay? Feel is still running. I completely liquidated my position, guys. Realize profits, okay? This can completely wick back up. Realize your goddamn profits. I'm telling you guys straight up, okay? Now listen, there are multiple ways you can trade this, man. You could be trading the impulse if you're confident enough and you have the right risk management, or you could be waiting for the strategy to play out, all right? With the strategy, yes, it takes time. It may happen, it may not happen, but when it does happen, that'll be a quality trade, all right? But when you guys are going to be a little more aggressive, listen, I'm a super aggressive trader. I'm not even going to lie to you all. I'm very, very aggressive. But the reason I can be aggressive is because I have my risk management to the T. My risk... I will get out of any position without hurting my account. I mean that. I've been doing this for as long as I have, and it's just one of the things that I've learned to pick up along the way in my trading journey. Okay, so we wanna make sure that we have risk management and trade the impulses the right way, or of course wait for the strategy to play out. Okay, because for a lot of you guys, I understand that the pace of these markets, scalping these markets can be super quick, but it's all good. All right, because when that one setup comes your way, it's gonna be quality. All right, so glad I stayed clear from Nasty. What is Nasty doing? Literally, man, Nasdaq has been shit since Cash left. I kid you not. Since it's like this entire week, she hasn't been around, and Nasty's just been so freaking choppy. Literally, I was talking to her last night, and I'm like, babe, you need to come back. People are missing you because they miss trading Nasty. Very, very choppy though. Nasty's waiting for Cash. That's what it seems like. That's what it seems like. Alright. Nasty extremely... Okay, look at that. So, this has potential. I'm not gonna lie. This has potential to seep up to the 70, which means that I could... If we break that high, I could see this happening, no problem, okay? Guys, I'm literally done for the day. Not even gonna lie. I'm not trading too heavy today. Tomorrow is gonna be one hell of a day. Trust me. Millzone, I think we need to put out maybe a couple of reminders or something that tomorrow's NFP. So it's gonna be an hour earlier because I can see the attendance today isn't that high, and I reckon because people are assuming we're here for market open, okay? Yes, that's correct, JJ. You should be. Okay, but let's maybe get some posts out for tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a pretty insane day. It's either going to be a really big move that we catch, or we're not going to catch anything. Okay, because you know how we trade. We trade with a bias. We trade with BOS, so we're not going to be going for buys and sells. You all know that. But we're going to have a bias, okay? And if price respects our bias, I think the pause should say it all, right? If price respects the bias, we're going to make some serious money. And if it doesn't, it's fine. It's all good, all right? We've had a pretty good week so far, and we shouldn't be complaining, all right? Because a day with no profits is any day, better than any with any sort of losses. Okay. Also, listen, for the 30. Excuse me, guys. Give me a second. For the 30-something people that are here, tomorrow's gonna be crazy, man. Tomorrow, I want you guys to be careful. All right, the ones on the fundeds, you're only and only and only gonna use feelers. All right, so my 10K guys are gonna be using 10 cents, nothing more, and the 50 and the 100K guys, y'all could be using $1, nothing more. I'm not even kidding. Okay, don't. It's not gonna be worth it if you've come this far and then you lose your account because of some news or just something that you could have taken care of, and something that's fixable is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so make sure that you guys have that in mind, and let's not go crazy. Okay. Also, listen, 36 of you lazy people out there, go on to freaking YouTube, please. One of you guys, send in the link again. Put on a comment, like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Say hi. I can read the comments on YouTube as well, and keep the video running. All right, please go ahead and do it, you guys. We're doing this as a free service to y'all. We're treating y'all as our private paid customers. Trust me, man. In a couple of weeks, you're gonna see YouTube full. I'm not even kidding. Okay, YouTube's gonna be freaking full, and you guys are gonna be getting all the private member perks. And we're not taking any money from you guys. Okay, so make sure to just go ahead and do that for us. I can see our names, literally. Everyone that's commenting right now, I see Kyle has commented, I see Chris has commented, I see Marius has commented, I see Bettina has commented. I'm sorry if I didn't take your name right, but I see you guys, okay? And Millzone sees you guys as well. All right, so make sure to say hi, make sure to put on a little comment. Awesome. Make sure to like that stream, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and thank you so much, guys. What's funny about this is I get to know a lot of your real names because of YouTube. I love it. I love it. Even though with the one-on-ones, I kind of know your names. Hey, this is a good question to ask. Okay, it might come as a surprise to you guys. All right, but my name's not really Krem. All right, just saying, just letting y'all know, my name's not really Krem. What do you guys think my name is? Like y'all know me. What do y'all think my name is? Go for it. I'm gonna check the chat right now. Go on. Did somebody say Ahmad? Bro, I'm from Dubai. Grew up with a lot of Muslims, but I'm not Muslim. Come on, seriously, guys. I want to see. What do y'all think my name is? Seriously, just go on. I want to see. Everyone take a guess. Literally, everyone take a guess. Yo, what the fuck? You guys figured this out, really? I wasn't expecting that. Okay. Alright, I think I dug that one for myself. Alright, but you guys know my name. V said Suresh. Come on, man. Lovely. Hey, you guys are my family, man. I have no issues with you guys knowing my real name. But yes, awesome. Joshua. Cramalicious. Cash. Well, I like Cash. Hey buddy, how's it going? Good thing we had this conversation when we have just 41 people on, yeah, huh? Lovely. Someone actually said Suresh. If Cash was here right now, she'd be laughing. Lovely. Kremish. Greatest NFT. What is my name? Jump in on our Zoom and you'll know what my name is, buddy. I mean, literally, the first name, someone said it for the first time and that was right, and I was like, what, really? I legit till date, I haven't told my name to anyone. I think there was one person on the street, on the one-on-ones that I shared my name with. Um, but yeah, it's pretty sick. YouTube is popping off today. Crime trade recaps. Yes, absolutely. All right, guys. So listen, we had stretchy, my bad. All right, so we had jobless claims that just came out, all right, and we were looking at gold, and we were looking at the dirty. All right, literally, we had two trades, two charts that you guys see open. Nasdaq, we also had this marked out, but there was nothing that really played out over here. We basically caught this. I caught this move on gold. It's pretty straightforward. Based off of the strategy that we have, we usually look for a break, a retest, a rejection, and a break of the previous structure to get the move. But since it was new, since it was volumized, and since we have market open in about the next 47 minutes, we weren't really able to respect the strategy and get our moves that way. But we still managed to bank on this impulse candle. Not just myself, but quite a few people on our private Zoom managed to catch that. And yeah, I mean, we've had some money made on gold and even on this. All right, so how many pips was this? Nice solid 55 pip move on Goldie, and a 50 pip move on the dirty. All right, so that's a 100 pip move day already. That's beautiful. Crime trade recaps. Gotcha. Guys, for the OG roll, it's gonna be released in intervals. Okay. So Yano, who's also our business partner, is going to he's gonna keep releasing it. All right, it's gonna be like little treats for y'all, and we're not gonna be releasing it out in bulk. Try and catch it, man. Try and catch it. Okay. You guys are gonna be the early birds into our newly opened Discord server, and yeah, just stick around. As of right now, all the updates will be up on Project Whitelist. Okay. I proceed in bank. I was waiting for the strat to play out, not at the level of trading impulse yet. That's fine, buddy. It's gonna take some time. You can't listen. You can't expect to trade these markets overnight, right? Yes, we have had a couple of sessions, but it takes time. You know, it takes time. You need to really get learning. You really need to sort of pay your dues in these markets, because I truly believe only when you go through the grind, only when these markets have thrown you to the ground and you've gotten up and still continue to push forward non-stop, that's when you're gonna shine. All right, and it's one of those things. The more you do it, the better you get at it, and I promise you, when you do crack this is going to be something that's going to leave you with a hefty paycheck for the rest of your life, as long as you have access to your phone. And all of us here at Forex, what are we trying to do? We're trying to build an army of millionaires. All right, we've got some personal goals. We've been building a community from the past 7 months, and what a community we've built so far. And it's pretty intense. We have people that started off as literal beginners that are trading massive ass accounts right now. I'm not even kidding. It's been a couple of months and we already have people that are going crazy, making some really big bucks in these markets, respecting the strategy and respecting the analysis. Okay, so you wanna just do the grind. It took me 2 years to make any sort of money. Literally, I'm gonna be very straight up with you guys today. I mean, I already feel naked. You guys know my name. You guys know who I am, and it's all good. But I'm gonna be real with y'all. Okay, I lost a shit ton of money in my first 2 years. Again, money I didn't have. Money that I wouldn't say money that I didn't have, but more like money that I couldn't afford to lose at the time. All right, and I stuck with it. I kept learning. I kept taking in as much information as I possibly could from any source that I found, and I just kept accumulating all of this information in my head till one day I had so much in me, and I was just like, how am I not profitable in these markets yet? What is it that's missing? Why am I not able to crack the code when I have already identified all of this stuff that needs to go together. That's when it hit me, right? Discipline, risk management, following rules, having a partner. It really, really helped me. I'm not even kidding. My partner is Cash, both literally and figuratively, and it's two brains are better than one, four eyes are better than two. All right. I had this conversation with Space for my one-on-ones as well, and some other people too. You guys need to have partners. You guys need to have someone that can level you when you need to be leveled, and someone that can elate you when you need to be picked up. It's really that simple, right? So you want to be able to have someone who's real with you, and you guys will see how things change. So it was these couple of small little things that I was missing. I had all of this information, but I didn't have these little. Um, it's almost like you have the pieces of the puzzle, and you need to glue it all together, right? You need to fix it all together. That's what I was missing. So a lot of you guys, it's going to take time to come, but I promise, man, it took me 2 years. It took me 2 years. It doesn't have to take you guys 2 years, because at my time, I didn't have a CramFX teaching me. I didn't have a Forex trading trade live like this with me. I just learned everything that I could from shitty YouTubers. I'm sorry, no offense to anyone, but all of those videos out there are for views. All right, we don't do this for the views. We've got goddamn 11 people on YouTube and about 50 something or something of that sort on Zoom right now. Okay, if we were after views, we could have spent a shit ton of money right now on marketing, and we could have just gotten a lot of people, right? But we truly, truly believe in quality over quantity. We want to give you guys the best setups. We want to give you guys the best information, because the truth is, there's a lot of people making trading more complicated than it really is out there, okay? All you need is the basics. You see this? These lines? Support and resistance. That's about it. We use support and resistance. We use break of structure, and that's how we're able to capitalize on the moves that we catch in these markets. All right, Millzone, that was a long ass monologue. Cut. Timestamp. I'm sure you'll get quite a bit from that. Okay, buddy. I caught 1.75 on gold. Lovely. Hopefully, market open will bring me my move. Cram, do you also aim for 1% gain per day? I mostly aim for 0.5%, but yes, 1% is a good day. And also, you guys can call me Cram. It's all good, okay? I mean, y'all can call me whatever y'all like. It's all good. But just letting y'all know. Let's keep it within the Zoom and not get it out to YouTube, okay? They can find out, but they need to come to Zoom for that. I don't trade the impulses either. Breaking retest more than enough, trust me. I'm just a little painful watching the impulse. And it's all good, buddy. It's the way it is. Impulse, I feel, is a lot like gambling than the actual strategy. Yes and no. With risk management, no. Because, of course, if you have your risk management in place, you can 100% trade the impulses with zero problems at all. If you're over leveraging, you're going to be in trouble. All right. And why is it not a gamble for me, Camper? I'm going to explain to you. I wouldn't get on an impulse if the markets want to buy and if the markets want to sell. No. I would get on an impulse only and only when price does what I think it's going to do, when price respects my analysis, right? So when I see that happen, boom, I get in confidently, and it works out. I hope that makes sense. $13 Pro Max 1 TB gotta run. Welcome, buddy. I love to be part of this amazing community. We love having you guys, man, for real. We've really built something kick-ass, haven't we? And it's only the start. Do you use buy-sell orders? Sometimes. I don't recommend you guys to be doing it, just because of the fact that instant executions work better. You don't get caught in dirty spreads. You don't get caught in the manipulation by your broker. Overall it just works a lot better. And yeah, I'm doing a lot of things at the same time, man. I'm streaming. I've got 2 cameras in front of me. I'm also trading for my own account. I'm trying to educate you guys. I'm talking to you guys. I'm keeping you updated. So yes, I find myself using more orders lately, but I'd recommend you all to stick with instant execution, okay? Till we start our signal services, technical signal services for you guys. It's something that we're working on, looking at entry levels, exit levels. Of course, you need to know the strategy in order to trade those successfully. But whenever we start those, then yeah, use the orders, knock yourselves out. I like cram better. It's just because you're used to calling me cram, buddy. Like, what even is cram? I have no. It's like you cram up your cram up your textbooks for your exams. I mean, I don't even know. I feel like Cash has the best name, literally. It's so on point. Welcome, B2. I'm such a killer for this trap, though. Yeah, I know. I agree, man. If you got the patience, the strategy is going to do you really good. Cram is a club near where I lived. You never know, man. Maybe it's mine. Okay, so the DXY is picking up supply right from there, guys. Okay, coming in a supply over here. Okay, what's nasty starting to look like? One-on-ones. This one's to you guys. This one's for you guys. What does nasty seem to be doing? Possibly. Could also come right back down. Based off of this, we do know that we have some nice little. Well, we have this whole area, so I'm not going to mark it out. I'm just going to mark the latest level out right here. Okay, got some demand right there. Gonna come into this freaking supply right there. And we could get a nice zone to zone move. Okay, that's just 20 pips though, so be mindful. Guys, is the audio on YouTube clearer today? I had some settings that were wrong, and every time I watched back the YouTube videos, the audio was like, it was always horrible. Is it good today? It should be as clear as Zoom. Clear? Thank you, Chris. Chris, I think I can make your comment flash. Is it flashing? Yeah. Thank you, Messi. Thank you, Kyle. Hey, Cram, what's the point of using feelers? It's just to test out the markets, buddy. It's just to see whether price even wants to respect that particular setup, because there's different liquidity and different volume in these markets at different times, and we don't always want to be getting caught in the fake outs, right? We don't always want to be part of the trap that the retail traders fall into. So if anyone tells you that they don't have losses, straight up, I tell this to everyone on the one-on-ones, I'm going to tell this to you. Kurt, you're going to have a shit ton of content from this video, bro. But literally, if anyone tells you guys that they have 100% hit rate, they're not making losses, and they're trying to get you to join a course, trust me, run away from that person, because they are lying, all right? There are going to be losses in these markets. None of us have a crystal ball in front of us, right? None of us know what price is going to do, because we aren't the market makers, we are the retail traders. We have losses as well, but with the strategy we've built, our losses are those really teeny tiny positions that we call feelers. Okay, so instead of your big ass position going against you, we let the feelers take the hit for us, and we start gearing up for price to do the opposite thing. All right, so this is how we've sort of built the strategy in order to avoid the fake outs and all of that good stuff. So I hope that clears it out for you. But feelers are basically just tiny positions, all right, to test out the waters, to test out the setup. You're welcome, VNS. Alright, good. Okay, guys, I'm not staying for market open. We probably will have some moves, but it's going to be choppy in anticipation for tomorrow. You can see how choppy the markets have gotten right now. We've literally been talking for the past 27 minutes with nothing really happening. So I'm just going to stay for this new early momentum that's going to kick in the next couple of minutes. And I'll call it a session, okay? Because we've got a nice day ahead of us tomorrow. Let's all get ready for it, and let's all hope that we can have some Wagyu day after. Yeah, man, guys, listen, please go ahead and the fuck is Nasty doing? And go ahead and put on some tweets for us. Okay, let people know that we have NFP, and do us a favor and send the YouTube link to people. All right, let them get on YouTube first, and then we have no problem putting them into the server and then into Zoom. Okay, but we want to exclusively treat you guys as our private members. So make sure that you guys are getting them onto YouTube. Okay, but spread the word. We're gonna have a pretty crazy day for the people that are new on here. I'm letting you guys know we're going to be on an hour before market open tomorrow. All right, so that's going to be 8:15 Eastern. You guys want to make sure that y'all are here in time, because I see it today, I see it right now, but we do have fewer people on here just because of the fact that people are probably expecting us to start later. Okay. Cheers, Mills. What's the different trading in London time and New York time? What do you mean, buddy? What's the difference? Are you talking about the difference in between the sessions, or? You guys will be able to get in on the server. Yano is going to release the server invites in intervals. Okay, so be on the lookout for it today. I'm pretty sure he's going to release some more today. Okay, so just make sure you've got the role on project whitelist, and make sure you have that going for you. Okay, and with the one-on-ones, you guys, just message me if you guys want to get booked up. Okay, I'm gonna keep saying this every day, but we're literally not going to be doing. We're not going to have more intakes in the next 1 month. Okay, so this is going to be the last month for intakes. Sorry about that, guys. This is going to be the last month for intake. So if you guys want to get joined up with the one-on-ones, now's the time. All right, these are very, very undervalued sessions. We've priced them extremely nominally. There currently is a 6-week wait time, and yeah, if you want to be mentored by me on your trading journey, and if you want to trade these markets the way we do, if you want to learn to analyze these markets the way we do, then message me. All right, and I'll get you guys hooked up with the one-on-ones. Okay, so I am seeing a couple of friend requests. Make sure you guys message me along with the friend requests. That's how I'll know that you guys are talking about the one-on-ones. Okay. Is there big moves in London? Yep, but not like New York. Not like New York. Okay, choppy early momentum, you guys. Nothing happening. We've got to see. We've got to see. Okay. I would recommend you guys to stay away. There is going to be erratic volume coming in on these markets, and it's got to take it easy. Okay. Buying 2 sets of one-on-one sessions will potentially be paid back in 1 day. Oh yeah, 100%. I have people that have messaged me and told me that literally I had some people that were trading the not the funded accounts, their live accounts, and literally they made what they paid on the one-on-ones in like a week, less than a week. So yeah, trust me when I say this, it's extremely undervalued. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it. There's nothing too much happening right now anyway. If you guys are going to be around for market open, then please trade carefully and make sure to get as many people as you can tomorrow. Spread the word. You guys have the link. Let's have a good NFP tomorrow, and we'll take it from there. All right. So, like I keep saying, we're building an army of millionaires. If you haven't done what you need to as yet, then hop on, start trading with us, start studying what we do, and you're going to be part of the army of millionaires. Okay, literally. Just practice is what makes perfect in these markets, you guys. We don't want to advertise this as a get rich overnight scheme, because I know it isn't. I've said this already. I'm going to say it again. It's going to take practice, but when you crack it, you're going to freaking experience true financial freedom. All right, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you guys are. And I'll catch you guys on the next one, all right, tomorrow for NFP. For the one-on-ones, please message me or Cash, and we'll have you guys taken care of, okay? Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. You guys signing out.